Good morning, guys. We're here doing another charity walk. My buddy Malcolm here. We're in Sliema, near the Fortizza, and we started this. Actually, this charity is for the hospice, so it's one of the main charities here. And apparently they're organizing this every year. So this is my first time. Our first time. Is your first time, Malcolm?
Yes, yes, yes.
So our first time here in the beautiful promenade in Sliema. We started this. Look at this beautiful day. Gym. There's a gym right there. Show you this. This guy's working out in the gym. Cool. So yeah, it's hot weather today. Look, people working out. This is, if you like to work out, this is one of the best locations. And we started in St.Julians, and we're gonna end up in the Ta Xbiex, right? Ta Xbiex. So it's around nearly 4 kilometers walk. But me and Malcolm, we're gonna do that extra, and we're gonna go to St. Luke's, because the main vlog is gonna be this. We're gonna go and donate blood as well. So first, we're helping the hospice, then we're helping patients that need blood. So that's our goal. Hopefully, they're gonna allow me with the camera, with my little camera. Hopefully, do you think I'm gonna manage?
Yeah, they should allow us.
Okay, we'll see. But at this time, moment, and place, this is our beautiful promenade here in Sliema. The beautiful hot day. Time is around 9:15, 9:20. That's the exact time. Thanks, Malcolm. And yeah, pace is slow, but we're not here competing. We're just having fun and chit-chatting with Malcolm, with my buddy Malcolm. Summer is coming. That's what it looks like. The photographer, official photographer there. This is how Sliema looks like. And we're doing this. Actually, we're doing this walk in 1st of May, which is the Workers' Day today. So it's a public holiday in here. People chilling, having breakfast, and me and Malcolm sweating our butts off. Just kidding, just kidding. This is one of the monuments that you'll find in here. It's like a family, happy, walking here. This is a pedestrian area, but people use it for walking, brisk walking, jogging. Last time they saw the national team of Italian football team, the coach Roberto Mancini jogging here as well when they played Malta. So me and Malcolm are trying to figure out what the main organizer, which is a culture, what kind of company it is. Maybe financial services, something like that, or insurance. Could be insurance, because he's in insurance and he doesn't know. Come on, guys, come on. This is, I used to work here, even Malcolm. Damn. I don't know if it's still a restaurant, but no. I used to work there. Great memories. It's a Fortizza. Wow. This is another old hotel, Preduna. It is a beautiful day to walk, guys. Let us show you. This is the pitch. Malcolm used to work here, right, Malcolm? He used to work there? Because this is the thing, guys. Back in the days, me and Malcolm were chefs. Be 13 years, Malcolm, I think it's a bit more. How long have you been a chef? Malcolm, how long were you a chef? 16 years. So Malcolm 16 years, me 13 years. We changed directions along the way, but still great memories. So we're pretty much in the heart of Sliema here. And this is chalet. Those who are old might remember this. Maybe if someone from Australia or Canada or America, which follow my channel, but this is the chalet, guys. Anyone remembers? Let me know down below if you remember those days. Maybe your parents, or maybe you. Who knows? A small kiosk right here, homemade stuff. Now it's good after the walk, it's good that we have pumping blood, so it will be easier for the nurse to extract our blood. Oh my god. Yeah. Beautiful day, beautiful day. Everybody's chilling. Everybody's chilling, guys. Old people, young people. I think we're pretty much in the halfway. Is it, Malcolm? I think we're halfway.
Yes.
To the walk. So, a few meters away.
Hey, looking to gear up for your next travel adventure, but you're tired to try and search the whole internet and waste hours and hours to look for quality travel items? I got you. Let me introduce you all in one place, Travel Accessories Amazon store page. From your next travel tech product for your arsenal, travel essentials that every traveler needs, travel wear for your comfortable worldwide journeys, to travel knowledge for documenting your experiences, and travel luggages and bags to store and protect your valuable items so you can just fully concentrate on traveling far without any limits. Simply go check out my travel Amazon store on amazon.com/shop/Gordon Travels. Link in the description below. Once you are there, it's very easy to navigate the page and to look up for all the items listed in each travel category. Now, go get inspired. Again, go on amazon.com/shop/Gordon Travels. Link in the description below.
So they're doing the embarkation runs. All right. Look at this. It's a new embarkation way they did. So we go. I think all the ferries are gonna maybe start operating from there. These are the ferries. You can go around the harbor. A lot of sellers here. Just they added more and more and more.
Do you sell tickets for Blue Line?
Yes. Hop-on, hop-offs, ferries. All you need. Translated.
Because you can imagine the smell of spook.
Okay, so that was a lot of traffic behind me. Lots of traffic we got. So this is the Sliema Wanderers flag. This is the football club flag right there because they just won the Challenge League. And if you haven't watched my video when it comes to football, make sure you go and watch one of my previous videos where my hometown beat 2-0 Zaytoun, which were competing with Sliema in the Challenge League. So Sliema won the league. Zaytoun, I think they came fourth or something like that to play the playoffs. So that's why we had the match, and I had a lot of fun. So go and watch the video if you haven't. But in the meantime, we're still in the streets of Sliema. There's a lot of ferries. They have increased every year. They're increasing more and more and more. Ferries everywhere, sellers everywhere. It's very easy to look. People getting tickets all over the place. So, and you can go to Goers as well. You can do a lot of stuff. You can get the hop-on, hop-off bus, go to Goers, Comino, partying. You remember this Fernandez? Oh my God! This one. Yeah, Fernandez too. So this one, this bad boy right here. We used to have parties. So you rent it out with, I don't know, hundreds of people, I think, 100 people. You have drinks, open bar, and things like that. So those were the days, Malcolm. Those were the days. She's waving, we're waving. Okay. Look at this. This is the architecture nowadays. Old house, and then you find this apartment building. Whoop. Apartment building right there. Look. Cam? How many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
Not sure.
Yeah, 12, around 12.
1, 2,
Could be. Jesus. Wow. So 15, around 15. Yeah. 15, as our eye can see. Maybe there's something more down below, you know, underground. Who knows? Could be, but that's crazy. Damn, those looks. Check that building that's popping, guys. Do you know, Malcolm, what do you know about that building?
Before there was like a private garage for leasing of Sterling Motor Company, a hub for fishing and boating shop.
Okay.
Now they developed in about 20-25 story tower.
So 20-25 story tower that's popping, and I think when something like this happens, that means that we're gonna see more and more and more popping around this area. So it's quite a monstrosity building when you see it from this side, like you probably saw, guys. So guys, it's funny that I haven't been here for a very long time, like years. I'm honest. This building wasn't even here, and even Malcolm came with his bike recently, right? And you said, what the hell did they do here?
Land reclamation, and they built a pool.
Yeah, look at this.
There's like a couple of them.
Restaurant and everything, but that's crazy. And these stalls, this is how many of these are? Happening, opening up and up and up. So, it's Manuel Island, yeah. I did a vlog there. Yeah, this is Manuel Island, guys. If you happen to search on my channel, you might find my vlog there. It was an interesting one. I came late afternoon, and you can see the state of it. Hopefully, they use it for constructing something useful for the community first of all, and then obviously they're gonna build apartments and everything around that. But maybe an eco garden would be fine, but who knows? That's one island for you. Right there. Beautiful yachts. Guys, that's the building we were talking about earlier. The 20-25 story. Look how it pops from the ashes of Gzira. This is Gzira now. And we're heading to Ta Xbiex. And here you see big yachts. Look at this one. Look at this thing. Jeez. So this is Marina. Ta Xbiex Marina. Little Mermaid. Beautiful. One bigger than the other. Check it out. Look at this McLaren. These cars right there. Exotic cars. Obviously, when you see big yachts and exotic cars. And where are the babes? Private yacht Marina right there.
ما تخرج ما تخرج منه.
That's funny. So private yacht Marina right here. Alright guys, so we made it. 1 hour, 1 minute. And it's 5.3 kilometers. This is happy faces right here. Everyone is about to come, about to arrive. I think everybody should be here. And this is the end of the walk. But now we're gonna continue. So this is the main sponsor right there, Gold Share. We're gonna go and donate blood. Keep watching.